After a substantial drop in the price of gas, driven by the end of the consumer carbon tax and falling oil prices, overall inflation is trending down, cooling to just 1.7% in April. But while energy costs have dropped, other expenses have spiked.
Restaurant meals, home rents, a large increase month over month in travel tour prices.
And just when it seemed like food inflation was under control, price pressures at grocery stores are heating up.
Bread has gone up like way up in prices, like meat, chicken.
I never used to care about budgeting food, but now it's like, yeah, it's essential.
Or if you see a sale, you kind of stock up and sort of hope that it lasts and is shelf stable.
Fresh vegetables cost nearly 4% more. Tea and coffee rose 13%. The price of fresh and frozen beef jumped about 16%.
A weaker Canadian dollar in April, could have been part of that. You also did have some tariffs imposed on fresh fruits and vegetables from the United States.
For beef prices, the story is slightly different. Droughts in North America have reduced cattle herds, leading to smaller supplies. A fact that's not only increasing prices at the dinner table, but at restaurant tables too.
Our cost of goods in general, not just for beef, but for paper products, for oils and everything, they continue to rise.
David Neinstein says meat is the main attraction at his Toronto smokehouse. He says his costs have spiked 30% over the past 5 years. Like many other small business owners, he's unable to swallow those rising prices.
We've had to transfer that cost over to the consumer. We just can't afford, or we take it off the menu because we can't afford to sell it at a reasonable rate.
This inflation data is the latest complication for the Bank of Canada, which already has to consider a recent spike in unemployment, Heather, as well as the ongoing trade war before its next interest rate decision.
Which is coming up soon. It's June the 4th. Any early expectations for that?
Well, market watchers are betting the odds of a rate cut are much lower now. Now, the Bank of Canada hasn't given much guidance. It says it will take things one meeting at a time as it sees how the trade war plays out.
Okay, Nisha, thank you very much.
You're welcome.